How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to add a small but hopefully helpful cheap add-on here for the C5 Corvette. It is the front end skid plate protectors. I bought it off of Amazon from Midwest Corvette. It was like 25 bucks. Fairly cheap. It's basically just this little bracket here that goes underneath the front bumper. And for this here, it comes with the two brackets. And you just need a 12 millimeter for the bolt, 13 for the nut. I grabbed some medium strength thread locker. The instructions said to torque it down to 50. My torque wrench is a little bit too big to try and get up under there without jacking it up. So I'm just going to do it by hand, use some medium strength thread locker. But I knocked the hell out of these several times. I don't know how well you can see them here under camera. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. But just the other day I used a wire brush, sanded them down, and then with a paintbrush put on some Rust-Oleum to where mine was starting to rust a little bit, where I'd hit them multiple times. So we're gonna put these little protectors on. Hopefully they give some peace of mind, maybe help out a little bit. But let's try and get this set up here real quick. Shouldn't be too hard. It looks like it's a straightforward install. Might need a rubber mallet or something like that if you've bent these a little bit, which I know this one here is bent, but I don't feel like trying to bang it back in place. So to install them, you just push them up in, fit them into the curb or the groove right in through here. Let's see here. This one's the bent one, and I do not feel like beating it back in place, so I'm not going to. Then we'll put our bolt here through. I'll go ahead and put some thread locker. Oh man, I can't see squat. There we go. Put a little bit up on there. Oh. And tighten. It's funny how the instructions for these always overcomplicate things. Like, I think the instructions said allow 30 minutes for install. And you can install this in like 2 minutes. Alright, make sure we're on righty-tighty. Yep. Alright, get her on. Can't see. Alright. And like I said, I think the instruction said if you have a torque wrench, it's 50 foot-pounds, I believe. I'm just going to get them as tight as I can with my hand. We put the thread locker on. So, alright. And that should be good on that one. Now we'll switch over here to this other side real quick. This one was in better shape. Let's see if I can get it where we can see it there. There we go. just getting it pushed back, getting it lined up. If you're having some issues on that part, you can probably use a rubber mallet or something to help you out with it. Which I may end up having to do on this side. Son of a biscuit eater. That's the last thing I feel like doing at 12 o'clock at night is breaking out a hammer. Even though I'm in the garage, I know I'm gonna get yelled at. Alright, mallet time. Now with this, I may not have enough leverage down here. One, two, there we go. There we go. All right. Thread locker. I'll add this into here since this one's a little more complicated. I'll put a small amount here inside the nut itself. And tighten. All right. Let's get our I'm gonna have to swap sides here. Y'all can just deal with my bald head for a minute. We'll do the same thing on this one. We'll just get it hand tight. Alright, let's see here. Don't know how well those are showing up there, but just kind of fit them in where the grooves. I can probably tap this back up a little bit with the mallet, but it's late. I'm not going to worry about it too bad tonight here. You can see that one. And they're supposed to add some extra protection. But for for 25 bucks, I mean, if you have the ability to do some fabrication, some welding, you probably make these for like $5 yourself. Something even a little bit better. But I don't have that knowledge, so this is my option. Hopefully these help protect, and I don't get the problem I had before where I'd hit it several times and taken the paint off and it started rusting on me. So there you go. Like I said, Midwest Corvette off of Amazon, 25 bucks, not too bad. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you here later.